Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Learn Construction Planning, and today we are going to learn about how to create the project in Primavera. In last video we saw the interface, the EPS, the OBS, and now we are moving toward the creation of the project. So few preliminary requirements were there last time for creating the project that we already completed, that is EPS and OBS. So now we are moving toward the creation of the project, how to create the project in Primavera. So this is the Primavera interface. Simply I am clicking and starting with a scratch. So here nothing is open. So for creating a project, simply we can click on the control N. So it will ask you to browse the EPS. In case control N is not working sometimes, so simply you may move to the let it be closed. We will move toward the file and then we will click to the new. So here this wizard will be open. So first of all we need to select the EPS. Basically in last time we saw what is EPS. So we created some EPS that was under, as you can remember, so it was under energy. Inside energy we created for renewable projects. This is the EPS that we created last time. So I am simply moving toward the assigning. So this green button, whatever you are watching in here, I am just fixing the size. So here select button is there. So if I am clicking here, so this will be selected. I am clicking here. So here you can see the EPS has been selected. Similarly, whatever EPS or whatever department is there, who will be the parent of the projects, that you can select as per your requirement. And now we are going to click on the next. Finish also you can do, but what I'm suggesting, just click on the next and do all the configurations whatever required. So simply I'm clicking on the next button. So here it is asking for the project ID. So in case you are preparing for tender, so you can give the tender ID or a tender description, or if it is project, so simply you can create the project. So as of now I'm just giving the project as OL 2026, sorry 6, and I am making the name as 500 megawatt polling substation. And then after giving the project name, whatever your project name is there, or in case if you are learning, so you may fill randomly some project name and create some project ID. After that you need to click on the next button. So it will ask you when the project has been started. So by default it will be the today date, but here you can select the dates, and here also time also you can define, but the time frequently we are not defining. So I am just selecting the date of 1st of August, and then I am clicking on the select. So it will be reflect here. After that it is asking for must finish by. Must finish by means the project have to be closed till the date. Basically we are not going to assign this one. Otherwise, while creating the schedule, what will happen in case the project is going beyond the date, the schedule, the software will try to crash it or make it fit in the finish date. That time some error or some other things will be generated, some issue will be there. So that's why we are making it as a flexible. We are leaving it as it is. After it, I am going to click on the next button. So here it is asking for the who will be the responsible manager. How to define the responsible manager? In last video we created some OBS. So from here whatever OBS we created, so here we can see all the OBS. So I am just going to assign the project manager here, and then I am clicking on the assign button or select button, so it will be reflected. After that it will ask for the rate type, so I am leaving it as it is. There other options are also there. As per your nature of the projects you can define, and as per the WBS also you can change. WBS specific also you can change the rate type, but as of now I am just making it as it is. After that I am clicking on the next. It will be created, and here congratulations will be visible in front of you. Now you can close and finish. So here, since the project has been created, you are already in the project. So here in top title bar you can see, but we need to open the projects. So for opening the projects, I am again moving toward the file, and then I am clicking, then I am moving toward the file and here open. So here we can see whatever we created. Just now we created 500 megawatt cooling substation, and then we can click on the OK button. In case sometimes the projects will not be visible, so here filter button is there, so you can select as per your EPS. So simply I am going to close this one since my project is visible here. It is 500 MW megawatt cooling substation. So I am just moving toward the open button. So here we will see one activity will be visible. Since nothing we created, means WBS or other configurations we did not. So it is showing some only one level of the project or activity it is showing. Since it is not activity, this is the project. After that we will create the WBS. So how to create the WBS, what is WBS, and these all things we will watch later. But in case if you are not able to, since you can open the same project with the help of Control O, and here projects list will be available with you. So from here also you can open. So thanks for being there and keep watching. Thanks.